Okay. So apparently the Beyoncé has shown how to use her Cécred products on her real natural hair. And apparently this just happened and I was like, oh, I have to record my reaction. Okay, and it's been about a month or two since she dropped her products. I didn't grab any of those products. We'll get into that later, but I am curious to see how she uses her products on her hair, what her real hair looks like. Also, I had to look up how to say the name of her line. Cécred, I had to ask my girl Cami. Shout out to Cami. Cécred. Okay. Here's their page. All right, let's get into it.
Now that Cécred is known for the quality and what it does for your hair, I think it's about time I show y'all what it does for my hair. I love the lather.
Her voice is so
It
sultry.
smells. Because my color was fresh, we used the rice and rose water ritual. And there's nothing in the world like the conditioner. I love it. There's nothing like it. I'm really proud of the quality. I do use a tiny bit of moisture seal before flat ironing. The stigma and misconception is that people that wear wigs don't have long and healthy hair. That's some bullshit, because it ain't nobody business. I'll get back to my hair. I like to blow dry my hair on medium heat because I try to stay away from as much heat as possible. Using the old school
Wow.
I've chosen color over perms or relaxers.
All natural, you know his favorite hashtag. All natural hashtag.
I've been using these products and my hair has never grown so long, never been so moist.
Okay, I do want to say that the color is, of course, immaculate. Her hair does look extremely healthy, and it's natural.
And I've managed to keep my texture and my curls, even with my hair so blonde and my hair is flourishing. Is it Cécred? Is it Cécred? I love Cécred wash days because I'm able to focus and take some QT and spin it on me.
That is to her waist. Okay.
For those who have allowed the products to speak for themselves. And we are building the community that I've dreamt about. I'm proud of the ingredients. I'm proud of the way it's making people feel.
She's about to cry.
I'm proud that it's not one-dimensional and that it's... 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now that Cécred is known for the quality and what...
All right, so I see she used a lot of her products and I see her hair is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now, my question is, I guess, I still don't understand who this line is for, which is honestly why I haven't brought the products. Please let me know down below. Sorry, I'm eating. I'm starving. Please let me know down below if you're a natural girly and you like this products. I've heard so many mixed reviews to the point of I'm not going to purchase it. It's too mixed. You know, some with straighter hair, relaxer hairs are loving it and some naturals are liking and hating it. Some are liking certain products from it or not. And of course, you know, it's named after a ritual. Like, it has ritual names, so y'all know what we say about that. Shop by hair type. Okay, so apparently you can shop by their hair type. What are the options for that? Coily, curly, wavy, and straight. That's interesting. Loose coil, fine. Tight curl, medium. There's a lot of different options here. Am I curly? I don't think I fit in the curly. Let's go to coily. Okay. Do I see me? I guess I'm a loose coil. I don't have a fine hair type for sure. Let's just do loose coil, fine. So she's saying for me, I should do the hydrating shampoo, which is $30. The rice and rose protein ritual, and the moisturizing sealing lotion, which is $38. The rose protein that she's suggesting is, I keep saying she, the team of Cécred is $52. It's a 2-step ritual. This sounds like some so these are pretty pricey. This is not cheap. This is not cheap. I'm a sucker for conditioner though. Let's see how much their conditioners are going for. $38 for the deep conditioner. Hydrating conditioner is coming soon. Oh, is that it? They just have one conditioner? And that's supposed to be like for everybody? Okay, well, I don't know, guys. Cool to see her hair using the product, of course, you know, maybe a month or so after the product's already dropped. I don't know. But have you guys tried her products? What are your thoughts? I'm not convinced. I feel like there's a lot of different hair products that are out there right now that are just kind of thrown together with no thought. I feel like after Tracy and her Pattern Beauty, I remember when that first came out, I was like, ooh, love it, right? So Pattern came out, and Pattern was the first like celeb hairline that I tried. And of course with Pattern, I felt related to Tracy because we both were natural hair girlies, okay? Didn't have the same texture or anything, but we definitely were both natural hair girlies. So I feel like she knew what she was talking about a little bit, at least a little bit, right? Can't say I still use Pattern. I do use bits and pieces from Pattern. Oddly enough, my favorite thing from Pattern that they came out with is the claw clip. Oh my God, I love that thing. But anyways, so Pattern was my first like trial and error with the celebrity hair cares. And then after that, it became crazy. You know, Taraji came out with hers. I've only tried one product from Taraji, and that's the scalp cleanser. Who else? I want to say Issa Rae came out with a hair care line. Yeah, Issa Rae came out with Sienna Naturals. Yeah, I didn't try that. Did you guys try that? Pattern, TPH, Secret. Tia Mowry, she came out with one called For You, which I don't even think I've seen that in stores. What does that look like? There's a lot here. For You by Tia. Have I seen that? Is that in Target? The packaging is super cute. Gabrielle Union came out with one. So hers has a lot of heat protectant. So like, yeah, there's like so many. I haven't heard of one that has a complete line that we love. Now, of course, we have the internet celebrity. Now we have Natural85, who is a YouTube sensation. And before Pattern, I grabbed all of her products for sure. And you know, not everything was a hit, but it was definitely more hit than Pattern was. And I feel like Whitney of Natural85, she was educating us. She was like one of the first YouTubers to really talk about natural hair care, and I learned a lot from her. I actually learned my mini twist, what I'm wearing right now. I learned a lot about that from her. So when she came out with something, it was no questions asked, right? I feel like these celebrities are following suit without much knowledge about natural hair. I mean, of course, everyone says Beyonce's mom is like a hair care stylist, so you know, maybe she gave her some 1-2-1-2, but to have a line and claim that it's for the natural girlies and the straight haired girlies, that's a little too far for me. Beyonce's hair looks amazing. Who's to say that she's always used Cécred, right? But her hair does look amazing. It's natural. It's to her waist, as we saw in the video. The hair color is flawless. She's always been a cute blondie. But I'm still not convinced, y'all. I'm not gonna. I don't know. If y'all can convince me otherwise to do a full review on my fine natural hair with this product, I'll test it. But so far, I just haven't seen any great reviews. Now, if you want me to try all of Whitney's products, I'll definitely try all of Whitney's products. Minus that leave-in. I know my hair hates that. I don't know why. My hair does not get along with that leave-in. What's going on with Cécred? Do you guys like it? You know, what do y'all feel about the marketing towards every single hair type? I haven't seen that yet. That's interesting. Does For You by Tia market to everybody? I will say Tia Mowry's line is very affordable. Everything's like $10 or less. At least from Walmart. Shoot. I love clean ingredients. Aloe vera. Why does someone talk about this one? We're getting sidetracked, but let me know your guys' thoughts on these celebrity hair care lines. I just wanted to put my 2 cents in there really quick because she just dropped that video, Beyonce, of her real natural hair and promoting this product. And I'm like, are we loving it? I haven't heard much. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. Let me know your thoughts down below, and what have you tried? Have you guys tried any of these products that I mentioned? Let me know. I'm trying not to be a product junkie, but I am willing to try something if enough people say it is worth it and the feedback is great. So let me know down below. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.